Hi students, my name is Dr. Pena Florida, and today I'm going to show you how to create your Google Sites, write your homepage, and share your Google Sites with the professors at the PUC Education Department. So the first thing I need for you to do is click on a new tab, and on that new tab, type sites.google.com, sites.google.com, and then hit enter, and you should see a screen just like mine, where it says blank template, or that plus sign where my mouse is. Click on that, and it will take you to a blank Google Sites page. So the first thing we are going to do is enter the site name. And so this is how we want you to write your site name. It's your PUC username, followed by the letters TPE, followed by the school year, 21-22. So PUC username, TPE 21-22. When you're done writing your site name, click at the very top left, the untitled site, and then your title name will be displayed there. All right, so let's now write the title page for your Google Sites. So where it says your title page, highlight it, and then this is a title that we want you to include. It is Teaching Performance, Expectations, Portfolio. Head over to the page, to the side on your right, and this is where you create your pages, create your subpages, and insert whatever text, whatever images, whatever YouTube or Google site or Google Docs or Google Slides you want to include. But for now, what we want to do is we want to insert a text box. So click on text box, and a text box will will appear right underneath the title page. Change normal text to heading. Actually, let's change it to subheading. Align center, and then these are the words that we want you to write. Submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirements for the California preliminary credential. Hit enter. From normal text, go back to subheading, center again, and then write by your first name and your last name. Hit enter again, align center, last edited on, and then the date of the last time that you went onto your Google Sites page and edited it. So for today, it is October 3. So make sure that whenever you log on to your Google Sites page and you're adding to it, whether you're adding TPE 1 all the way to TPE 7, or your single subject information that you're adding, be sure that you change when you last edited it. That just helps us follow along with your journey of creating your portfolio. When you're done with that, the next thing we want for you to do is share right now so that all of the professors in our education department have access to your Google Sites page. So at the top, you'll see this little icon of this person with the plus sign. Click on that, and you are going to be sharing your Google Sites page with Dr. Bowler, Professor Jefferson, Professor Gitter, and myself, Dr. Pena Florida. So let's do Dr. Bowler first. Her email address is jbueller9750@gmail.com. Professor Jefferson is kgjefferson2@gmail.com. Professor Gitter is Sarah Gitter123@gmail.com. Mine, Dr. Pena Florida, is jpenaflorida@puc.edu. And then finally, the department's Gmail account, which is puceducationdepartment@gmail.com. Once you have everybody's emails listed and you're sharing, click on send. And now all of your professors have access and editing rights to your Google Sites page. The last thing I want to do is share with you how to change the themes. So again, on the far right-hand side of your page, you will see the word insert, then pages, then themes. Click on themes, and it always defaults to simple. And you can change any one of these to any of these themes if you want to. You can also change the color, and you can also change the font style. If you want to change the background image, if you hover over the title page, you'll see where it says change image. Click on that, and then you can upload your own picture, or you can select an image. And you have several options. You can use the gallery that's offered, or you can search by URL, or you can search on Google, or you can add anything that you want. So I'm just going to do gallery. I like the typewriter. And then select, and then there you go. All right, so this concludes this tutorial. The next tutorial I will show you how to add pages and subpages to your TPE e-portfolio. Bye.